Good morning student. In this video I am going to explain you imperative sentences of direct and indirect speech. In that kind of sentences we have to just change reporting verb and conjunction. Rest of the things will be same or more easy than the last two type of sentences. Like in the place of reporting verb, as earlier we'll get said to, says to. So we'll change them order, requested, suggested, advised, commanded according their senses. As you know what are the meanings. Conjunction we will use here to. Class, in this type of sentences, because sentence begin with verb, so in the first part no tense conversion is required. Afterwards the sentence is given, there we will make changes, but because this to is written, so no other changes will be, like tense changes will be done in this kind of sentences. Like he said, please bring a glass of water. So he requested to. Please is not used here because it is already mentioned requested to bring a glass of water. Like this part we have noted down as it is. If something else after this full stop given, then there we can make tense changes. He said go at once. He ordered to go at once. If in case of negative, if means sentence is given in do not form. Like he said do not smoke. This is an advice. So he advised. Now this do will be removed. Not and conjunction to smoke. Many students make difference or make confusion that this do they consider as interrogative and they make the changes according to interrogative sentences. So always keep in mind, do not shows imperative. If question mark is there or subject after this is given, then only it is an interrogative. Otherwise this is working as an imperative sentence. In case sentence begin with let. Children, there are two kind of sentences in let. Many sentences remain confused in proposed, ordered, suggested. So that is our choice, that according sentence what we understood and we have to mention it. It can be requested, it can be suggested if the sentence says. So in case of let sentences, he said let us go outside. They will be sentences like let us and let me. In case of let us, he proposed, we use conjunction that, then this us will change. Us is first person, so change according subject. If subject is singular, we will write we. If it is plural, we have to write they. This is only a confusing part. Singular, then we. If it is plural, then they. This let will be removed and at the place of let we write should. We learned in passive voice also that most of the time let or should work at the same way. We should go outside. In case of me, he said let me get in. So he requested. Now the conjunction that is not required. There will be to and let will copied as it is to let him get in. Thank you.